Let's start this bulletin with some breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast in connection to the Muda case probe. Trouble continues to mount for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. In fact, the special court has now asked the police to register a case. The court has ordered the Lokayukta and the police to investigate this entire matter. The court is also seeking a report in 3 months, and after the High Court, now the special court has also ordered the probe. Siddaramaiah says that he is yet to receive the order copy, and Siddaramaiah says that he is ready to face investigation in this particular matter. He says he does not fear investigation. In fact, he's also now said that he will fight this entire issue legally as well.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆದೇಶದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೂರ್ಣ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಕೇರಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕದು. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತನಿಖೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಎದುರಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
My colleague Neha, who's been tracking all the updates as far as this case is concerned, joins us right now on the broadcast. Neha, this is now Siddaramaiah putting up a strong face, brave face there. He says he does not fear investigation and he's ready to fight it out legally. But the fact of the matter is, a lot of trouble ahead for him.
Well, Ashish, of course, you know, at this point, would it exactly be right for us to say a lot of trouble that lies ahead of the Chief Minister is a question. But yes, it sure seems like trouble is mounting over here now. There is going to be a case that's going to be registered now by, in fact, you know, the police over here in concern. The Lokayukta police now, in fact, the Mysuru division of the Lokayukta police has been directed now to file an FIR here against the Chief Minister of the state, Siddaramaiah. And also, with that being said, now we're seeing that it's not just the FIR, but also the fact that now the investigating body here would have to submit a report within a span of just 3 months. Remember, we've also spoken now with the advocate there of the main petitioner, Snehamai Krishna, here in concern, and the advocate there says that, you know, they're not really going to be appealing for an investigation from a higher agency right now, whether it's the CBI or, for that matter, whether it's any other investigating agency, but that they're going to be okay proceeding with the Lokayukta probe right now. And if at all in a span of 3 months, once that investigation report is submitted, they aren't satisfied, then they would possibly consider an appeal. Now, what's also imperative here to mention is that we've heard from the Chief Minister himself. He says there that though he's not received this order yet, the fact is that we've heard from him even yesterday, wherein he says that he's not done anything wrong. There's no need, of course, you know, for him at this point to be stepping down from his chief ministership. We've heard his colleagues as well, both seniors in the Congress party as well as his cabinet colleagues, they're backing him up, saying that, you know, of course, there's no reason for him to step down right now. But Siddaramaiah's next course of action legally, of course, Ashish, you know, would have to be watched very closely here, and we'll really have to wait and see what he now decides, whether he would be moving a division bench of the Karnataka High Court or whether they would be approaching the Supreme Court.